I'm gonna love you.
Hello friends, today I will show you how to disable updates on your Windows 10 PC. So let's proceed. First of all, just open updates. Usually the option is given here, but it has been removed from here. So if you want to turn off the updates, first of all open control panel. Then just go to categories, here view by and large icons, that administrative tools, then just click on service, then just scroll down. Here you can see Windows Update. Just double click on it, and here this panel control the updates of Windows 10. So just click on stop. If you want to permanently disable the updates, just go to here and disable and just apply. Just OK, and the update has been completely removed. So now your PC does not get updated automatically. If you want to just cancel that and want to update, just click here and just convert it into automatic. Click OK and just click start. So now it also get updates. It means now it also get updates available. So in this way you can turn on and off your updates. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video.